How to increase the sound volume when playing audio through the good old Winamp. So that is Winamp. We can increase the sound volume from here. If it's still not enough, then we could go here to the speaker and increase it from there. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit for this example. And to increase the sound volume even more, we can go here to the Equalizer, that EQ button, click on it. The Equalizer, this separate window shows up. And then we can click on the On button, increase this preamp to the maximum. The sound is a little bit higher. Let's start it again. Let's even click the repeat button that will automatically play it over and over. And we can increase these also by clicking here onto that plus 12 decibels. And as you can hear, the sound is more powerful, the volume was increased. If I turn off the equalizer, then all those increasings will disappear. Now it's on and now the volume is higher. Now it's even higher. So that's how to increase the volume in Winamp. To reset those back, click on the 0 decibel. That resets these on the right side. This cannot be resetted, at least I don't know any method. You have to bring it back manually to the center, and then you can turn it off and you can close the equalizer. So that's how to increase the volume using a Winamp.